Hello again and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be making a gorgeous rainbow rim trinket tray. So I've mixed up all the different coloured resin and added some sparkly and holographic glitter to each little part, and as you can see I'm just carefully pouring in different parts of the rim, just tiny bits of each colour. I reuse my pots, so I leave the resin to dry inside once I've tipped it all out, because nothing goes to waste. And then I just, because it's dry, it won't affect the next batch that I add to it, so I just reuse the pots multiple times, so nothing is wasted at all. And the little popsicle sticks, lollipop sticks that I use to mix the resin, I wipe those and reuse those too. And if you check out my website and you find the winged guardian bears, they are all made with leftover resin for when I make too much, so they are completely unique and one of a kind. But anyway, getting back to this tray, you can see I'm adding some more colours. Because it's a small amount of resin, it tends to go thicker quicker. And that is what I want, so when I tip it, it doesn't run right round the rim and I can't get all the colours in. So I just leave it for about 5 to 6 minutes ish, just to go a little bit thicker, but thick enough to still pour. And this also helps with the bubbles, because obviously it will degas itself and all the bubbles will rise to the top and just pop anyway. So we're coming with the last colour now and fill up those final gaps, and then I'm going to leave that to dry and then come back and try out a new pigment paste. Okay, that's all dry now. It's been about 12 hours. This white is the whitest white I've ever seen. It was a pigment paste from Resin 8 that I got for my birthday from my husband, along with a load of other colours, and this is the first time that I used it, and oh my god, I am in love. And as quick as that, it's dry and ready to unmould. And just look how opaque that white is. And that rainbow rim is just so pretty. I absolutely love this, and I'm going to be adding a rainbow peacock feather. So that has been printed on clear vinyl printer inkjet paper. I've cut around it as close as I could, peeled the backing off, stuck it and pushed it down and made sure there was no air bubbles. And then just to protect it, I'm just covering it with a clear layer of resin, and just get that all around the edge and everywhere. I would normally pick it up and tip it, but I did notice I had resin on my gloves and I didn't want to take them off, so we decided to carefully manipulate this resin around the base of this trinket tray using the popsicle stick. And we are almost there. It does level out itself, so even though you see me dragging it from parts like that to get it down, it will all go back and level and even out itself, as long as you've got a nice level table, which at last I have now. And I've also got a level which I use to check the table to make sure it is completely level. So that's that. Now I'm just going to go over with my clicky lighter and pop any bubbles, and then I'm going to cover it and leave it to dry, and it will be on my website very soon. As always, stay safe and thank you for watching. Bye.